Hi everyone! In today's conversation, you'll see how family members support each other and find ways to handle challenges together, all in simple, easy English. You'll learn useful phrases for offering help, sharing good news, and talking about budgeting for special occasions. Don't forget to grab your free ebook full of daily conversations to help you improve your English. The link is below. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's get started. Why don't you want to go to your graduation party?
I don't want to go. I changed my mind.
But this is a special event. It only happens once in your life. You were so excited about it before. Why don't you want to go now?
I looked at the prices for dresses. They're very expensive. Mom works 2 jobs. I can't ask her for that much money.
Oh, you're so thoughtful. Don't worry about it. I will handle it.
But where will you get the money?
Just trust me. You're going to the graduation party.
Really? I'm so happy. I wanted to go. You're the best sister in the world.
John, I need your help. My sister's graduation party is coming up. I promised to buy her a dress, but I don't have enough money.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Do you have any ideas?
Not really. I just want her to go to the party and feel happy. Do you know what I could do?
You're good at math, right? You could give math lessons to students who need help.
Really? I could teach math?
Yes, you can put up a sign at school. Maybe some students will want help.
That's a great idea. Thanks, John. I'll try it. I hope someone needs help with math. Just a few students and I can get Emily that dress.
Hi, I saw your sign about math lessons. I'm really struggling with math. Can you help me?
Sure, I'd love to help. By the way, I'm Diana.
Nice to meet you, Diana. I'm Jane.
Nice to meet you too, Jane. So how about we start with 5 lessons?
That sounds perfect. When can we start?
How about tomorrow after school?
Great, thank you, Diana.
You're welcome, Jane. Let's make math easier for you. Emily, guess what? I just got my first student for math lessons. I'm going to earn enough to buy you a dress for the graduation party.
Really? Oh my gosh, Diana, I'm so happy. I can't believe it. I'm getting a new dress.
Yes, you are. I promised, didn't I?
You're the best sister in the world. Thank you so much.